You guys good? Alright, we're good too. Alright, Jack, you ready? Alright, let's go this way. So don't bunch together. Stay behind the barricade. Alright, Jack, over here. Alright, I want you to go up to that one up there, Jack. Right up there to your right. Yep. Alright. Alright, Napoleon, I want you to push up to one of these up here. Right over here. Alright, Jack, watch your sister when she moves up. Where are they at? You see them? Alright, let's not crowd. Alright, Jack. Alright, I'm gonna move up. Up, right over there in the middle. They're in the middle. Alright, back up, back up, back up. They're in the middle. They're in the middle. You got one in the middle. Oh, one behind the trailer. There's one behind the trailer. Okay. Napoleon, you see him? Okay, so let's keep pushing to the right. So go up to the next one. You see him? Where are they at? Alright, Jack, watch out. They're coming this way. Oh, he got you? Alright. Oh, you're not hit? Oh, you didn't get you. Alright. Watch out, they're probably coming around this way. Watching that way. Watch that way. What's that? You're going that way? Okay, go that way. Go. Okay. There's one back over this way. Alright, Jack, go up a little bit further. Go to the next one. Alright, Napoleon, I'm coming to you. Okay, just go find another place and you can turn back. Oh, all right. Oh, hold on, buddy. That's too close. He got you. He got you. That was a good one.
Maybe like I don't know what it did, but like it went down and hit me on my shoulder.
I think it punched through the barricade. What was that? Oh, no, hey, hey, bud, hold on. Hey, game's over. Hold on, bud. Hold on.